Hey, PayPal users! Want to know how to add funds to your PayPal account using your credit card? You're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, you need to link your credit card to your PayPal account. Don't worry, it's super simple. Open the PayPal app or go to the website, log in, and navigate to Wallet. Click on Link a Card or Bank and follow the easy instructions to add your credit card information. Once your card is linked, you're halfway there. Now let's add some funds. Go back to Wallet and click on Add Money. You'll see a list of your linked accounts. Choose your credit card from the list and enter the amount you want to add. Confirm the details and hit Add. And that's it. Your funds should be available almost instantly. Quick tip: keep an eye on any fees that might apply when using a credit card, especially if you're adding large amounts. Always good to be in the know, right? And remember, the process for adding funds using a credit card is the same as for a debit card. If you can do one, you can do the other. That's all there is to it. So go ahead and replenish those PayPal funds with ease. Got more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips. See you next time.